I'm Natasha Lubchenko with your CT Style Express. The increased isolation and stress that's come from the coronavirus pandemic has led to a rise in opioid addiction throughout the country. At BHcare, getting help is made possible even in these uncertain times through virtual resources and an endless amount of support.
My life has done a complete 180. I am back to my pre-addiction place in life and then some. I still use the tools and advice I received from all at BHcare.
David Borzolino reads me a touching testimonial from a patient who went through the nonprofit's medication-assisted treatment program. David is director of this MAT program, which uses medications like Suboxone to help people overcome opioid addiction.
It helps decrease cravings, and should you use another opiate, it won't have the same effect on you. So it helps you come through the withdrawal process.
And aside from this biological aspect of recovery, Borzolino says they dive deeper to treat patients holistically.
What's really different about us is everyone gets a recovery coach, somebody with lived experience who helps them negotiate through especially those first couple months of abstinence and trying to stay drug-free.
These coaches, along with other advisors, help with everything from housing to job placement, and it all can be done virtually, just like a variety of other therapies, including EMDR.
We can do BLS, which is called bilateral stimulation. You are stimulating both hemispheres of the brain while you're processing your trauma, and that appears to help you process trauma quicker. So that can be done with eye movements, tapping, or if you have your own tappers at home.
And Borzolino says there's nothing better than seeing the positive results these therapies and services yield.
I think it's what gets us up in the morning. When you see people, just leading a healthier lifestyle and knowing that you were a little bit of that journey for them, that is really gratifying.
Consultations can be made either virtual or in person by calling BHcare's Ansonia or Branford locations. Those numbers and more information can be found at bhcare.org. For CT Style, I'm Natasha Lubchenko.